you want to loosen this up. This is a compass, and you want to loosen it up so you can fit all these through, or both of these through, right? And there's a little grip down here to do exactly that. So you're going to move it down this way, and you're going to move this one down as far as you can move it down, right? Then you're going to tighten it up, but don't tighten it up so much you can't move the circle. So then you want to move it out as far as you can move it out so that we can make the biggest circle we can make with it writing. So I'm going to hold it down like this, right?
Yes. Okay. Yes.
And then when you go around, you want to make sure that it doesn't go off this side. So you kind of want to make sure it goes all the way around without going off the page. So I'm going to hold it, and you want to go all the way around. If this is not tight enough, it'll slip and it'll make your circle, it'll start making it a different size. And then you'll have to redo it. So you're going to make it just like that. Okay. Now, you want to now find the center, okay, which is where the little hole should be that your compass was. And you're going to make 4 sections, and you want to make them wavy, almost like you're doing the yin-yang symbol. And you're going to do one this way and one that way. Okay, we have to make 12 sections, so we need to make 3 in each section, right? So we're going to draw from the center, and it doesn't really matter if they're equal or not, because this is a color wheel. It's not supposed to be like perfect. It's supposed to look kind of flowing and not equal. Okay, so each section needs 3 more sections, which makes 12. Okay? Everybody got that? Okay. Notice I did that with my ebony pencil. Now you're going to outline your circle too, because you want it to be really dark so you can see it. Okay? Easy, easy.
Lemon squeezy.
That's right. Okay, now we're going to, now that it's dark, here's the challenging part, is you're going to take your next piece and you're going to lay it on top, and you are going to now attempt to trace the first one. Okay? Now, it's pretty easy if you drew with an ebony pencil, because like I said, it should be dark, and it should line up. If it doesn't line up and it's not the same, it's going to be a problem because we're going to weave it together. And we want it to be the same but opposite. Okay, so now, does everybody think they're capable of tracing?
Yes.
It's what you've always wanted to do in life, but your art teacher told you not to. Okay, so once you trace it, oh, Miss Tracy forgot to do a step. But that's okay, because it's going to make it even more interesting. Oh. This is a good way to see if it's the same, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, Miss Tracy. Okay, so I'm going to go around the circle now, the circle of life, and go around this way. Looks like some people might need to watch the video because they're not listening. Okay, so I'm going to do this now. I'm going to make a circle, like a target in the center. Does it have to be perfect? No. The one outside does, because I want it to start out kind of, but now that you have that circle, you kind of have a gauge for a perfect circle. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this now, just a second, and I'm going to lay it back over here and see that, make sure it's the same. And I'm going to trace this circle. Now, could I have done the 2 circles in the first one?
Yes.
Yes, you could have. I didn't. I forgot to, so I'm going back now and doing it opposite, but you could do either one. It's fine. Now, here's what you're going to do before you start painting. Are you listening?
Yes.
This is it. You're going to label your color. So, can I start a primary anywhere?
Yes.
I can. So I'm going to do, and you're going to do it very lightly with a regular pencil. Yellow, 1, 2, 3, blue, 1, 2, 3, red. Okay? And then what's in between yellow and blue? Green, yellow and red, violet, red and yellow, orange. Okay? And then red, orange, red, violet, blue, violet. So that way, blue, green, and Miss Tracy forgot to think. Okay. Now, oh, yellow, orange. Okay, what's in here? Gonna be in here,
Like the dark.
which is called a shade. And this is the tint of that color, right?